I'm Sarah, and I'm outside the iconic Royal Canadian Mint, where a visit is worth every penny. But I'll get to the penny later. First, let's go meet our co-host, who's going to help me answer all of the questions you may have about Winnipeg's amazing attraction.
Hello, Sarah. Welcome to the Royal Canadian Mint. My name is Mireille. Let's go inside. So driving in, you would have seen a beautiful parade of flags. That's all the countries for which we mint for. Our longest contract's with the Barbados.
The production of the penny exceeded its face value. It made no sense to continue producing it.
So here in Canada, all of our circulation coins have 4 different characteristics. One of them, of course, being the offers, the effigy of the Queen, the date, the country, and the face value.
During a 45-minute tour, the tour guide will explain the coining process from design to shipping, while also offering some fun facts and interesting stories along the way. They're also available in English.
Et aussi en français, nous avons beaucoup à partager.
Some countries don't have a mint or the resources to produce coins, which is why they contract the Royal Canadian Mint. Let me see if I can lift this. Oh.
This beautiful building was built in 1976 by Etienne Gaboury. The building itself took shape and it looked like a mountain in the prairies.
Okay, Mireille, I have one more question. Does the Mint give out free samples?
Unfortunately not, but we have a beautiful boutique here with great gift ideas, souvenirs, and collector coins.
That sounds great. I'm going to stay here and shop. And for more things to see in Winnipeg, go to hereforitwpg.com.